Welcome back to Slate Bites. In this video, we'll look at how to process gifts in a batch. Batch gift entry is designed to make manual gift entry more efficient and streamlined, helping you save time while maintaining accuracy. To get started, let's navigate to batch gift entry, this time with a quick launch. From here, we can see all batches and their high-level details. Use the Views icon to customize what information is displayed here. Now we have the option to search existing batches, but for this example, we're going to open a new batch. In Batch, we have the option to set defaults to save some time during gift entry. In this example, all of my gifts are checks going to the annual fund. Now that my defaults are set, I will search for my first donor. Once selected, my custom dashboard will load. This dashboard allows me to review relevant information about the donor and even add new information to their record without ever leaving the batch. If you do need to leave the batch for any reason, you don't need to worry about remembering to save. All saved gifts will be here when you get back. When I'm ready to enter the gift, my defaults will automatically load, but I always have the option to clear a default and adjust for the gift I am entering. Just like entering on a record, I can fulfill pledges, link to campaigns and appeals, and add tributes. My next gift is from a company. Notice this dashboard is different than when I entered a gift on a person. That's because the dashboard scope is companies and foundations. Gifts can be entered on both record types within the same batch. The gift summary allows me to reconcile the total count and total dollars before I commit my batch. These gifts will not be connected to the donor records until I click Process Batch. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to never miss a Slate Bite.